So we previously used a spreadsheet for scheduling in our department. It would be done on a spreadsheet, printed off, and left in a 3-ring binder for all employees to use. When someone wanted to view it, they'd have to ask who had it. So there was a lot of yelling across the room, who's got the schedule? It got very messy, especially with trades, crossing out one shift, adding on another shift in those tiny little spaces on there. Some of it would be legible, some wasn't. You'd have to go back to the employee and say, what happened here?
You're now 723 last truck correction, 714 last truck coverage.
Well, as you know, we're a 24-hour operation, 7 days a week. Previously to using Aladtec with the spreadsheet, employees, if they wanted to do trades, they would have to contact or email management and then wait for a response prior to the trade being approved. But with Aladtec, employees are able to switch and trade shifts, perform those tasks 24 hours a day, 7 days a week without waiting for management's approval prior to doing so. My employees use the mobile option on their devices so that, again, for ease of access, they know when they're scheduled to work. If they need to submit a vacation day or make a trade, they can do it all on their mobile device. It's very convenient for them. I know they're happy with that. I think it's a great system. I use it, both as an employee and now in management scheduling for my department. It's convenient, it's so much cleaner, and it's just accessible anywhere, and that's a very nice feature.